disrupting the proceedings of the House. Normally, opposition disrupt Qatar, but they doing it. We have expressed our serious concerns about this, and it is nothing but a motive to have made sure that we were not going to take up certain issues of power tariff hike and especially NEP. And NEP is a very major issue where the government is completely unprepared. The education department is totally in doldrums, and they're trying to show that it's a very nice picture. But when you go into the places, into the schools, whether in the village or the cities, you come to know, your feedback is that they are totally clueless. They are without, even now Amaka message dili that in Saraswat College they have got some subject called banking, and they don't even have the books. So the first class they were only told State Bank asa, HDFC Bank itle sangale. Now they don't know what to teach them next because the syllabus has not come. So this kind of things should not be made a mockery and the children left just drooling their fingers over there in the class. That's why it's a very important subject. And as I repeat, we are not against the government, we are not against its implementation, but we only don't want a hurried implementation. We don't want erratic manner of implementing it. So that was the first part of it. Then now it was general discussion on budget, so I have spoken, I've also said, and to my good luck, because I was the last one, I managed to even get Chief Minister to give me certain assurances on certain things like repairs of the barns and repairs of the primary schools, normally which happens in calling attention matters. But he has assured that he will look into it. I also spoke about the educational hub and the need of it, because otherwise you're promising an educational hub but not giving it. Because what is the future of our children if we don't have these facilities? And they have to go for studies abroad. Parents are worried what is happening to the children when they are there. We don't know what kind of company they get into, what they may indulge in, and whether they will complete their studies on time or not, or whether they'll be in good company or bad company. And if we have these facilities here, I think it will be safer for our children. It will be more convenient, even if they have to stay in a hostel in the places over there. I don't want to say travel every day. And our standard can always be increased and our standard can go up. People like Microsoft and all can come here if you have this kind of a thing. So I think on an overall, at least for the demands on the, not demands on this budget speech, I think I could cover a lot of ground only on the major topics. As the demands days come, now from 18th we start the demands. So we will have our part motions and we will also make presentation detail wise on each.
Okay. So you also spoke about some book spelling mistake. What else?
What book? Kill Bill Mula CMN book काढला. तुम मराठी उतर कितकोण शब्दात कितकोण मराठी बरोल त्यांचं स्पेलिंग दिसला पण सीएमआर मागीन चालला तू मराठी वाचता म्हणल्यार वा मराठी शिकला पासून.
Which book is this skill book?
He told that it was released by an NGO which is supported by the government. So CMA just released this book. In the middle of the session, he went and released the book and came back.
Marathi.
Martahi.
Marathi. Alphabet.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.